All right, guys, we're gonna see if we can make some money going to a flea market at noon.
How you doing?
I think I did just sell these ones. Didn't I have these ones and I just got rid of them? They're 10s though, that won't fit me. Making money out here? Remember I know they were black, huh, with red words in the right. I would like that color. I need a red pair. What'd you see? Didn't I have one of those recently in a size small? Here's a pink bag. Here's a nice little Disney bag. No.
I just had my birthday. I got sick.
This guy's so angry.
Who's the cheeseburger now? Yeah, he always is.
He's so angry.
He's so funny.
How much you sell a bag like this for?
I don't need it.
Do you think no, I'm thinking if
To
I
resell?
what if I make money? What do you think?
I don't know.
How old are these ones? What is a whole table?
Give me 100.
For what? What are you trying to sell me?
Your wife is no. Your wife already your girlfriend.
She won't propose.
Here. This is like 280 American Eagle.
Yeah, I only like the pink. That's what I was looking at.
Look at that one.
Polo.
Victoria's Secret. Michael.
They have a lot of Victoria's
Hey,
Secrets.
Michael Kors. $100. Take him on.
Are they real, you think?
Yeah.
O'Neill.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is good for your TV show. And you buy it
The
for
clothes
cheaper.
I don't like, cheeseburger. I don't. The clothes don't work for me.
No?
No, I don't sell clothes that
Buy
well.
tools.
No, what is this? Maybe
You
that.
don't buy a 3D printer yesterday. You lost that.
The what?
I have 12 3D printer.
Oh, the unit with the 3D printer?
Yeah.
I saw it.
Oh, you see that unit? I buy it.
Did
The
you?
Martinez?
I sold it the first day, everything.
Oh, I bet. There's some nice machines in there.
I paid $250 plus tax, everything $320. I sold just a 3D printer for $500 a guy, and it's a clothes.
I just would want those bags. What would you sell for those for?
Just the pink.
Yeah.
How many? Couldn't forget it. I make you a deal.
Like
Pinky.
this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and not that. It's just no one. That's it. That's what I would buy. You make,
1, 2,
oh, and this right here.
3, 4, 5, 6. Give me $30 just for you. 30.
Here we go.
See? God damn. Hey, somebody need to take a picture. First time taking money with you.
Yeah,
long,
right.
long time.
Last time I bought something off you, you made me pay you more later because I made too much money. And when you forced me to buy it.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What are you guys doing? Yeah? Getting some stuff? We just got back from Alameda and it was horrible.
Was it? Oh, man.
They switched it from yesterday?
Yeah, it's supposed to go last week, but it rained out. But it was bad. Like, worst I ever seen it. See you guys later. We got, 5 items that are worth probably 20 to 30 bucks a piece for a period of 30 bucks, which is actually cool because cheeseburger, as you guys might know, if you watch this video, cheeseburger, you're frugal. You're the harder to buy from. So that's why I can't shop there all the time. Today, you gave me a deal. Today, you got pirate money.
I don't want to leave this party without saying goodbye. She said she want to watch the sunrise from the rooftop tonight. We were both on the dance floor.
We're not very good YouTube pickers. Like, you ever watch a flea market video? Them guys like go and look at every freaking item. Like, I don't know how anybody does that. Like, how do you not look at a booth and see things, But there's no way I can like walk through this booth. I don't know. I'm not a good YouTube picker. What do we got here? This is Ricky Henderson right there. And Terry Steinbach. That's kind of cool. World champs. eBay special on that.
Oh, see, this is a good one, man. With the Ricky Henderson. This is
Yeah.
like
You got a
$500.
COA on it?
Huh?
You got a COA?
No.
No.
This all the military. He was a Marine. He died. The guy a Marine. You know, they always going into the.
Yeah.
Can I see your ticket?
See you later, man. All right, let me give you guys a prime example. Granted, Ricky Henderson just died, so his value has shot up. But I'm just he told me it's a $500 bat, so. I just want to show you. And don't get mad at me, guys. I know you watch my videos. I know you watch my videos, but this is how people look. They look right here. They look at the listed item. Now let's come over here to sold. That's what's important. We're going to come to highest price. That is a game used. That is a game used. Ricky Henderson signed bat, stolen base leader. These are COA'd. COA'd. Game issued. Now we get down to here. $350 possibly. $350. That's what I would guess. $350 with the COA. When you don't have a COA, look. Ricky Henderson signed bat, 36 bucks. Ricky Henderson signed bat, 29 bucks. When you don't have a COA. Those are kind of cool. Oh, these are kind of simple. I like those. Do I have this color? I don't have this color. No.
But you only like high tops, you told me last time.
Yeah, I don't need no more. I mean, I don't mind low tops, but I just don't wear them. So you're right. Mid tops, all right. Low tops. Where's my guy that's usually over here? Probably sold out, but usually the guy who has there's a guy who I don't know what the hell he does, but the one I got the wicked Starbucks cups from. He's usually right around here somewhere. You know, I guess you can still make some money at the flea market this time, but it's very limited. I was only able to make so far a purchase off a friend of mine. Oh man, look, I wish those were my size right here. That's what I need. I guess I already have a purple up tempos, but I need more up tempos. I need those too in my size, man.
Kids though. Victoria's Secret.
Yeah.
This one's cute with the bows. No?
I don't know. How much you asked how much they are?
How much are the blankets? 25. 25, not bad.
And you got some more stuff over here.
I know.
I don't know what they usually go for, you know. They had a green pink sweater. Some bras.
Yeah, it's all Victoria's Secret.
You want to check the bras?
You want to get blankets for your show or no?
I wouldn't get them if you want them for yourself, but that's not. I'm not going to make money on those.
I'll get one for Naya, because she likes bows. No?
How much you say for this one?
25?
You don't want a bag for it?
You want a bag for it? You have change?
Yeah.
That's all I have. No, she said no bag.
No bag. I'll put the bag.
They have some juicy tour outfits here.
So 25, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. And that wasn't bad. We made a few dollars. We actually bought a few other pieces of Victoria's Secret from them off camera that we gave away for Valentine's Day. This was an older video, and we listed some to eBay as well. And I made some money off the pink bags. It's hard to walk into a flea market at noon and actually make money. It's not the best thing, but we had went to the previous flea market. You can watch the other video. I titled the most expensive flea market or something. I'll put a thumbnail here. Check that one out. It was the same day. We went there like 6 in the morning, then there. But this is a tough time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. And don't forget to check out something. Big news coming. I'm launching it this week. Go to bidswipe.net, the first storage-based platform for live selling, buy it nows, and auctions owned by me, yours truly, Storage Auction Pirate. Link in the bio.